Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you the simplest ways to import media in Vegas Pro 15. But first, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Vegas Pro tutorials. There are 5 simple ways to import media in Vegas Pro 15. Now, let's start by opening Vegas Pro 15. As you can see, there is nothing. I have no media in my timeline. The first way to add media is by just pressing Ctrl+O on your keyboard. Now look up where your media is and select image or video which you want to add, and then click open or simply double click on it. That's the first way to import media in Vegas Pro 15. Now move to the second way to import media. The second way is the easiest way to import footage. Simply open your folder, and click image or video which you want to add, and drag it to Vegas Pro timeline window. Then release the mouse button, and there you go. You can see the media is ready to edit in Vegas Pro timeline window. The third way to add media, just go to File in upper left corner, then Import and click Media. Now look up where your media is, and select image or video which you want to add, then click Open or simply double click on it. In this way your media is not added in timeline directly. Now just go to Project Media window, and drag your clip to the timeline or simply double click on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Vegas Pro tutorials. The fourth way to add media in Vegas Pro, just look up for your media from your computer, simply right click on the clip which you want to add, and then open with. Now pick Vegas Pro from the list. You can see it's going to open Vegas Pro, and the clip is already in your timeline window. Now let's move to the fifth, and last way to import media in Vegas Pro 15. Simply right-click in the timeline window, and select Open. Now choose media which you want to add, then click Open or simply double-click on it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel for more videos. Share it with your friends, and the last thing, don't forget to leave us feedback to improve our next video in future.